orange trees. It's the first one I'm seeing. And more banana. Are any of these grapefruits ready to be picked?
Yep. Yeah, man.
Is it red or white?
They're white.
Oh. This is the sugar cane here? I don't see it.
This is it. See it? These are all sugar
Oh
cane.
yes, I see the branch now.
Yeah.
So it's the stalk.
Yeah.
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 Nice. Yeah, I like.
So this is the part. You see when you
like
put the
this.
sugar cane?
Yeah, I like the juice. Okay.
Yeah. You let it sit for a while and ferment, and then you plant it back.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So if you plant one root, then it turns into several,
Okay.
like the bananas.
Mm.
There used to be a lot more here. When this one was alive, there's a lot more here. Every country house
Yeah.
has a patch of sugar cane.
Yeah. It kind of looks like the bamboo stalk.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's tough.
But this is one that you eat.
yeah.
The one that you use for sugar is different. They're harder.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
And they have different. This is a governor. This one they call a governor.
Oh,
Yeah.
You know the species.
Yes, yes.
We stopped off at the side of the road to get some food. And I got some roast yam here. Drinks, food and drinks. Hello, Mr. Goat. Hi. You have different colors. You have visitors. Are you gonna come say hi? You gonna come closer? You're all tied up. Okay. See you later. Found some wild bamboo.
No, bamboo is bamboo.
Oh,
You don't have wild bamboo.
okay. Those are the bamboo rafts. You can take a tour of White River. Maybe one day I'll try it. It's so cool. It's coming from the Pelican Bar. And where is it again, the Pelican Bar?
It's about, in that boat, it takes you about half an hour.
I cleaned out the car today because there were patty crumbs on the carpet and shook it on the driveway. I am now on grass, and look at these ants carrying the patty crumbs to their home. Look, there's got to be like a dozen of them working together to carry this patty crumb to their nest. And there's another one over here. You can see him. It's a smaller crumb, but he's working it. And I think this is where they're bringing it all, because there's 2 patty crumbs that a team of ants are working on here. If you can focus, you can see that. So this is dedication, because the driveway is all the way over there and the car is up the driveway. So they came all the way down the driveway, over those shrubs, onto the grass. These guys are troopers, and are taking these patty crumbs to their home for food. This is amazing. This is just incredible. Reminds me of Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. This is amazing. And I'm just sitting here observing in the sun, and I just realized that this was going on. Oh, here's another team of ants working together to bring this patty crumb to their home. This is so cool. So they can have their feast. And I think I'm gonna get out of the grass now because I feel like there are ants all around me.